What's going on, guys? I'm back here with another cooking video, and this is RJ Mills. Now today we're going to get into a simple recipe, and it is curry chicken. So let's get into this video. All right, so these are our ingredients right here. Simple process. It looks like I got my adobo seasoning for the chicken, and this is our main ingredient we want to use today for this particular meal. And of course we're going to chop up an onion, and we got our garlic right here. All right, so basically we have our onion and garlic right here. Now this is just going to bring up the flavor more, so we're just going to basically caramelize the onion and also the garlic before we put it inside a crock pot. That way we can get rid of that raw onion taste, and it could also cook thoroughly along with the chicken and simmer. All right, so while the onions are going, we got our chicken here. We're going to basically season it. So I like to use a little adobo. Get that a nice even coat. I got some basil leaves right here. It's also going to bring up the flavor of the chicken for this particular meal. All right, so we got our parsley right here. Just gonna put it like so. So we got our, throw some black pepper on here. All right, guys, so we got our chicken nice and seasoned here. I'm just gonna place these right in a crock pot. Now, before I start, I like to always spray my pan down with oil, just so nothing will stick or anything. So we're gonna place the rest of the chicken in here like so. Make sure I get all that good old-fashioned seasoning out. All right, so we also got a couple bay leaves. We're just gonna place it on the chicken before we pour the sauce in. Now this is just gonna bring up the flavor. So when this is done, make sure you take these leaves out because they're not meant to be eaten. Basically just for flavor. All right, so we got that. So now we got our curry sauce right here. Now I put about a cup of curry Indian sauce. It's a sauce that's already prepared. So we're gonna pour it over the chicken. All right, now that's all set. All right, and the last step is to add butter here. This is just gonna bring up the flavor more. So we're gonna let this go for about 6 hours. And already, guys, my house smells amazing. And I can't wait to see how this turned out. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so we are back, and this is the final results. It's been about 6 hours, so let's check on the chicken here. Ooh, that smells delicious, guys. Let me tell you, that curry, nice aroma. Season settled in, I can tell. I'm just gonna put this on a plate and finish digging on in for dinner tonight. So again, this is Indian curry chicken right here. All right, guys, so this is our finished dish. Again, this is Indian curry chicken right here. So as you can see, I plated it up here. Now this is a nice little side bread that you can put along with it. I believe it's called naan, and it's basically like an Indian bread that goes along with many of their dishes. And I'm a big fan of Indian food, so this meal right here is very simplistic and straight to the point. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please, again, comment, rate, and subscribe if you like the video and you guys enjoy your day. And I'm actually looking forward to making more cooking videos in the near future. This is RJ Mills signing out.